In this video, we're going to look at using PowerPoint to create worksheet templates. We will be working with slide masters here, so if you need to, check out the Creating a Theme in PowerPoint playlist on this channel. We will begin by opening a blank presentation. In the Design tab on the ribbon, select Slide Size, Custom Slide Size. This is where we move from being made for screen to paper. Now, depending on the layout of the worksheet, you need to specify between portrait and landscape. You can choose a preset size or make a custom one. Lucky for us, plain old letter size paper is already an option. Now that our page is right, in order for these to function as templates, we need to work in Slide Master. I want this theme to be a series of worksheets, so I'll be using layouts to accomplish that. You can either alter existing layouts or create new ones. The first thing I'm going to do is set the fonts for the theme of the slide. That way it's always the same. Now there are two kinds of text boxes we can use. Regular text boxes will not be editable once we exit the master. These are good for elements that you don't want to change, like a spot for name, date, class. Placeholders are for text you will edit regularly, kind of what makes these templates. They will be changeable, movable. Before I do anything else, I want to add a footer, just a little flair letting everyone know these belong to a specific teacher or class. Now, some placeholders. That is the basics for our layout. Now let's try it out by exiting the master slides and choosing this layout. Now I can see what I can change and what I can't. You can see this method can be used for multiple subjects and grade levels. Well, that is how you can use PowerPoint to make worksheet templates. I hope you learned something new. Be sure to like the video if you did, leave a comment if you have more tips or questions of your own, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, guys, catch you on planning.